An attempt, and it's sent over to Hearn. Hearn he was looking to return it back over to Robbins, but the puck was stolen by Deneen. Meanwhile, puck goes over to the far side and onside. Meanwhile, Taransky's got it. Side of the cage, shot, goal! Taransky scores 1-0. Central Connecticut, and the Selects take the lead. And it gets past, and hustling back is Kirkostas. Kirkostas on the forecheck, forces a turnover right in front. Shot, goal! Primo Self scores! 2-1 Selects. 12:56 remaining in the third period. And Primo Self buries a goal in his hometown. 2-1 Selects. That play in the period picked up by Hallard. Hallard tries to work the forecheck. Carroll is there. Carroll along with, and the puck comes up high. Here comes Lundy's shot. It's deflected. Second opportunity. Goal! Scored by Tyler Sedlak. Sedlak buries it. Karabin sends it back over to Cormanek. Cormanek finds Carroll. Carroll with 13 seconds. Takes a shot. Goal! Goal! Tie game! Tie game! Carroll scores! Carroll ties the game with 10.7 seconds remaining! Can you believe it? The Avalanche crowd is going wild! South Kent is stunned! Sends it back up high. Yuzuki looking to make a move, and he tries to work his way past Ovington, gets it down into the corner. Santoro is there. Yuzuki sends a blank shot. Goal! Game championship Selects repeat, and the goal is scored by Raleigh. Raleigh gets the goal, and the Selects have won the U18 Chipotle USA Hockey National Championship. The South Kent Selects repeat as champions, and Raleigh gets the goal off of an assist from Santoro and Yuzuki.
Bordello waits. Picked up again. Look at this kid go. Was that any good? They score!